Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of sitting down with Debbie Sherwood. Debbie's running for town council in the town of Orangeville, and today is our last video together. Thank you for being here today, Debbie. So today obviously is an important day because it's the last video of our series, and I wanted to make sure you had an opportunity to express to the voters why you think they should vote for you.
Oh, thank you, Bradley. My name is Debbie Sherwood, and I am seeking a position of counselor for the town of Orangeville. As a 39-year resident and recently retired with 35 years as a certified municipal tax professional, I feel that I'm ready to serve you, the citizens of Orangeville. This town needs good, qualified candidates to fill that position, and I feel that my experience is what this council needs. I will attempt to hold the line on tax increases and want to restore integrity, respect, and collaborate with my fellow council members as a team in a productive manner. I will represent the citizens and businesses to the absolute best of my ability, and I'm going to relay the concerns of all the community in an effort to support greater accountability and transparency, competitive tax rates for businesses and residents, and a strong quality of life. As an elected official, I will advocate for developing a strategic business plan for Orangeville and a financial plan focusing on accountability and transparency. A stronger business community will lead to more local jobs and investment, and it's a better tax base, which is good for everyone. A strategic business plan is needed to have clarity on the town's vision, to identify the town's goals and priorities, and to clarify how the town is measuring performance. We must enhance efforts in working with the provincial and federal governments to access funding to support infrastructure and environment and economic development. I promise the citizens of Orangeville that I will do my best to make sure our town is the best place when it comes to attracting and keeping business here, creating jobs, protecting our environment, controlling growth, engaging with our senior citizens, and a great place to raise a family. I am going to promise to keep my promise to you, the taxpayers of Orangeville. So on October 22nd, please vote Debbie Sherwood for Orangeville Town Council.
Thank you very much, Debbie, for coming in today, and of course throughout the entire series. If you'd like to see more of what Debbie has to say, as always, take a look at the links below. And before I let you go this time, I wanted to make sure to make the point that it's important that we all exercise our democratic right and vote for whichever person you feel is best suited for this town. It's important that we exercise that civic duty so that we can all have a more prosperous town. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you next time.